How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account if you haven't already. Then you need to tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at top left corner of the screen. And on this section, you might see the public profile option. When you tap on public profile at top right corner, we have already created for now, but if you haven't, then you will get my public profile option. You simply need to tap on it and create your public profile. In order to set up your public profile, you need to read the information about public profiles and tap continue. Then you need to tap get started, then create to confirm. Then you can easily select public profile at top right, and then you can edit your profile. You can add a profile picture, write a bio, include any public highlights or snaps you want to showcase. Also, you can add spotlights and many more. So in this way, you can share content from your public profile to grow your audience and engage with followers. That's it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.